Hello, teacher.
Hello. Okay, potato. Okay, potato. Answer. Write your answer again. Okay? Write your answer again. I will wait.
Vừa lấy tôi answer rồi là như thế nào? Đọc như nào? Vừa lấy tôi answer rồi là như nào? Vừa lấy tôi viết rồi ấy. Mẹ, vừa lấy tôi viết rồi là như thế nào? I ever answer. I ever answer. I
Okay.
ever answer.
Oh, do not erase. Write again. Write again. Just write.
What's this name?
Go.
No, right. You right.
It's here. Copy. Your answer number 1 is name. Oh, you write that one. Write in number 1. Go.
With me. I don't like. With me.
Không? Cái gì?
I don't like trees.
Okay, how about
I
number
don't
3?
like tree. I don't
number
like
3.
tree.
Okay, here.
I don't like trail. I don't
Listen.
like trail. I don't
Listen.
like trail.
Why you put you write letter H? You wrote a while ago. Come on, you can do it. You try. Potato, you can do it. Come on, you try.
No.
Come on, potato.
Bình Phú Sơn được bình.
Yeah.
Okay. Put letter R. Letter R.
Okay. But I don't think. I don't think. Phải không?
Come on, how about number 4?
Tiếp đi con. Con bảo play with me, somebody, play with me. Đi với mẹ nè. Teacher, please wait me.
Teacher will wait. Don't worry, teacher will wait.
Con không ngồi dậy thì ngoan lắm này. Nó có siêu bà mẹ yêu mà. Này sao phải nhắc thì mẹ yêu nhá. Nào ra, bảo con teacher please wait me nào, không khóc nữa. Con mẹ yêu nhá. Bình tĩnh nha. Thầy biết bình tĩnh thôi nha, không sao hết. Sao? I don't
Okay, next, number 4.
I don't know.
There's only one word, only the word for.
Kia rồi.
Only one word left.
Ngồi dậy mẹ yêu là con ngồi.
Only one word left.
Con ngồi đây, nhanh nào, không sao, nào,
Doing
ngoan.
good.
Nào con nào con biết đi. Nào.
Potato, you're doing good. Come on, almost time. That's okay, that's okay.
À, không sao, thế con bình tĩnh nhá. Lại tỏi. À, không sao hết. Con không biết nào. Nào. Con nhìn lại đây là thế nào? Đây à? Phải. Bây giờ con biết đi. Không phải phớ vết thương. Rồi của con đây. Rồi của con đây. Rồi, tiếp. Rồi xong rồi tiếp đi. Okay, teacher chưa? Nó gọi gì đi? Teacher.
Okay. All right, Potato. Can you please read? Very good, because you did right the one. Oh, see, you can do it. You just have to try, okay? Now, Potato, please read your answer. Okay? Hi, my name is
With me.
Please read. Hi, my name.
Biết cái gì nữa?
Hi. Come on, please read. Hi. Not Potato. Hi, my name is.
Yes, my name is Nam. I am in Hanoi now. I am have water. Have taste it. Near Phan Chiêm Lake. Ngọc Sơn Temple is near the theater. The summer is hot
Sa
near
museum.
the church.
Is
Is not near the theater. Is far from the theater.
theater. Okay, very good. Oh, great. potato. Oh, good job. Okay, let's see your answer, potato. Let's check. Let's check. So we have here number 1 is. Look at that. Were you able to get correct answer? Were you able to get correct answer? The answer is yes. Okay. Okay. So number 1. Hi. My name is correct. Is now. I am in Hanoi now. I am at Samsung Water Puppet Theater. It is near. Very good. One Kim Place. Ngoksan Temple is near the theater. The museum is not near the theater. It is far from the theater. Great work. Very good, potato. Good job. Oh, see? You can answer it this one properly. That's good. Okay, so let's have lesson 3, potato. Let's have vocabulary words. What's the first? That is west. Oh, the west. This one is east. Oh, this one is about direction. West, east. Okay, the east and the west. Next, potato. We have which one? What is this? How far? Oh, if you want to ask how far the places, or you want to ask the distance of the place, you will say how far. Okay, how far?
From to.
This one. From to. Oh, from is the start. To is your destination. Okay.
Kilometer.
Here we go. What is this? Kilometer.
Meter.
This one is meter. Great word.
Okay.
We have your structure, potato. We have here. How far is it from block to?
It's about number
Kilometer. Okay.
kilometer.
Okay, let's have this one. Example.
Example,
How far?
From Hanoi to here is 41 kilometers.
Okay, that's 41 kilometers. But potato, is it far or it's near? What is it?
It's far.
Far. Very good. So we have here, this is Hongyan. That's 41 kilometers going to Hanoi, not near. Okay, let's practice potato. This one. How far is it from? Come on. School. Look at the first picture.
School is 1 kilometer.
Okay, 1 kilometer. Again, how far is it from school to home? Again.
School to home is 1 kilometer.
It's about, come on. It's about.
It's
Come on.
about
1 kilometer.
1
Next. Next, how about picture 2? How far? Go. How far is it from this one? From park. From park. From park
to
to
home.
home. What's the answer? It's
about 4 kilometers.
okay. It's about 4 kilometers. Okay, again, potato, let's have a practice without mistake. Okay, let's do first potato, the first one. So how do you say this one? How do you say this? How
It's
far?
home.
Again, you say that. You ask the question. Let's practice
How far
asking.
it is from school to home.
That was the answer.
About 1
Kilometer. Very good. Next.
kilometer.
Next. Picture 2. Picture 2.
How far is from top
Two.
to home? It's about 4 kilometers.
Very good. Okay. Great work, Potato, because you were able to use the question how far to. So if you want to ask the distance, is it near or far from the places, from the two places? We have to use the question how far, okay? Always remember to use the word how far. Okay, so here, so Potato, we will end our class there because it's all time. Listen, we will do again, we will have the activity in lesson 3 next meeting, okay? We will do of how far next meeting, all right?
Yes,
So
bye-bye.
that would be all for today, Potato. Goodbye for now. See you next time. Oh, you're happy now. Okay, goodbye. Good job.
Bye-bye.
Good job for tonight. Goodbye.